Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to enable dual WhatsApp on iPhone. Alright, let's begin. WhatsApp on Android allows you to switch accounts directly within the app, but iPhone does not have this feature. There is no official option to add a second WhatsApp account on the same iPhone using the same app. However, there is a simple workaround that works well. To use dual WhatsApp on iPhone, keep your primary number on the regular WhatsApp app. Then download WhatsApp Business from the App Store and use your second phone number to set it up. This allows you to run two WhatsApp accounts simultaneously on the same device. WhatsApp Business offers almost all the same features as the main WhatsApp app, including messaging, voice calls, and media sharing. While it is designed for businesses, it works perfectly for personal use as a second WhatsApp account. So that's basically how you can enable dual WhatsApp on iPhone. That's it for this video. Thanks.